Hello everyone, my name is Zeno, and today I want to show you a new feature on DXP Cloud that improves the experience of uploading backups and takes it to another level. Now let's dive right into it. Here I have a project, it's called Zeno Upload, and I have all these different services that are running here, right? Now let's say I want to get some data from my local machine or from some on-premise server or from another cloud even. Let's say I want to get my database and my document library and I want to upload that to DXP Cloud. Now we do have an API to do that operation today. If you go to our documentation, you can find more information about it. And it's just one endpoint, a post HTTP request that you have to do. We can even show this in practice. So here I have two different files that are already stored on my machine. I have my database and I have my document library. And let's say I want to upload that, right? If I call this API, I will have that behavior, right? So here I can see that my backup was created successfully. And if I go to DXP Cloud and I navigate to that page, I will see that a new backup was just uploaded to my project. And that's great. Now I can get this backup. I can restore to an environment that I want. So this is good and solves the problem, right? It works and it's great. Now there are a couple of things that could be better, right? There were no progress information over there. You were basically in the dark. Hopefully this was a small backup, but in most cases we will have backups of 20, 30, 50, or 100 gigs. And now progress is a much more important information to show. That's why we decided to create a new upload backups function. So this is a new option that you're going to see on your project. And when you click there, you have a new way to upload backups. Now this is a very user-friendly and a much more reliable way to upload. And that will give you more options when you have certain errors with validations and that type of thing. So let's see how it works in practice. I'm going to get my database now. I'm going to get my document library. And it's good because right here, I can already see the size that I'm going to upload. And then I have some prompt confirmations here, right? We are telling you that, hey, once you start this operation, you're not going to be able to upload more, right? Until this is over. This could take minutes or hours, depending on how large is your database in your document library. So once you confirm that information and initiate the upload, now the process is much faster and much easier to see the results, right? In like a couple of seconds, I know exactly what's going on. I know the progress and I know it's completed. Now I can see that there's a new entry on my backups page. Here it goes. And now I can use that backup in any project that I want. Now, just another tip before you go, we released a version of backups that is much faster and allows a better compression algorithm and faster uploads. So we highly recommend you to upgrade to backup 4.2.0. You can find that information in our changelog. And that's it. I hope this was helpful and have a good day.
Looking for more information on this topic or others? Check out our links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.